Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we're doing a kit preview of our new July kit, which we are so excited about. It is called Lilac Dreams. I bet you can guess what color it is. It is purple.
Surprise!
I am Elena.
I'm Anna.
And we're from Pink Monarch Prints.
Let's see. So we're really excited. We just started a Facebook group. And we're going to be doing a really fun giveaway. It's a Facebook group dedicated to the subscription kit. So it's going to have all sorts of fun ideas, giveaways, just fun things there for just the kit. And the thing I love about it is I get to see what you guys are doing with our kits, which makes me super happy. So I love that part. So we'll link it below.
Link it below.
All right. The other fun thing is on July 3rd, we're going to have a freebie that's going to be linked, and it's going to be this cover. I'll zoom in for you. This cover for a junk journal using the half pages in the kit. So it's going to be really easy to make, and it includes some really fun ephemera on the inside, so you can kind of get a preview there. But it's really beautiful, and sorry that's backward on camera. But anyway, it's going to be a really fun one. So that will be July 3rd that we'll be doing that.
So make sure you guys are a part of that Facebook group. And without further ado, we're going to go through a walkthrough of the kit. We're starting off with this Whimsical paper set, and we're just going to go through really quick and show you some snippets. These first three are all neutrals, and neutrals are great because you actually end up using them the most. Then we have some purple, florally, and a little splash of yellow in this kit. I love that butterfly paper. Lots of fun details everywhere. Got some really neutral papers, got some bold papers. Makes for a really good kit, and I'm so excited to see you guys what we've been working on with this kit. That's one of my favorite papers, and that one. Here are the fussy cuts in this set. We have one page with really simple fussy cuts here, and another page kind of with them collaged out more in a scrapbook style, and both are really fun, and I'm excited to use them. Moving on to the lovely tags in this collection, there's so many fun pages. This one is my very favorite just because I love the details. Then you have a more plain version so you guys can embellish them how you want. And just a lot of variety, a lot of different shapes and sizes. Here are the envelopes in the kit. There's a lot of variety in this one. We have some like this, just a big one with some fussy cuts that you can use any way you like. Plain envelopes so that you can embellish them how you like. And just some ones that are already pretty finished. Here is the mini project for the Lilac Dreams kit. It's a super cute one, super fun one. There's no printing required on the back. It's just 4 pages. Here they are. And it's also sold separately. It's in the 50-page kit, but if you don't want the whole kit, you can still get this separate. And really quick, we do have this one assembled already, so we can kind of show you guys a little bit of what it's like. I think the gold accents look really good with this kit. It's a little file folder. Don't want to show you too much because we want it to be a little bit of a surprise. So there's that. Really cute. Love the whimsical look of this journal. It's really fun. Moving on to the pockets in this kit, I do want to talk about these first ones. They're designed to look like tags, but they are pockets, and these are the inserts for them. So it's like a file folder tag pocket. Then there's these tall skinny ones, and those ones on the right side can be stacked on top. And then some pretty just standard basic ones that are easy to cut out. And then some fun slanted ones and more variety. These next 2 pages are some of my absolute favorites. I love Tidbits. I think they really are just the extra detail that make or break a journal, that make it look so cute and so detailed. I love them. Here are the double pages in the kit. I love that it kind of ties everything in. We made sure to include just pretty simple in designs with only a few pages that are like really extra, just so that you guys have plenty of room to embellish them however you would like. Again, just perfect for making a journal, but you do not have to use them. And I saved the best for last, and I'm going to be showing you guys some extra pages we have in the kit. This page and the next one are both ephemera. Ephemera is great to stuff into pockets or just add some extra detail. These are journal cards, so you can kind of use them however you want. You can write on some of them. Here's some really random pieces, circles, ephemera, some file folder pages, which are really fun to use as pockets or as file folders. Really love those ones. Then these circles, which I think turned out so cute and can be used as pockets. Now finally, my absolute favorite, these adorable butterfly specimen cards. Thank you guys for watching our video. we hope you enjoyed it. We love this kit and are super excited to see what we create with it, and we hope you guys join us along that journey. And we will see you next time.
Have a good one.